All right, 6:43 is the time. You may have seen the disclaimer on the back of dump trucks saying they're not responsible for broken windshields, but does that really remove them from any liability? I set out to verify. Most of us have seen the bumper stickers on the back of big trucks stating, "Warning, stay back 200 feet, not responsible for a broken windshield." But are they really not responsible for any debris either coming from the road or their load? Let's verify. Our sources are personal injury lawyer Darren Tobin from Tobin Injury Law and Taylor Mabry from Express Auto Glass in Marietta. We ask, from a legal standpoint, what do these bumper stickers mean?
Absolutely nothing. Those bumper stickers are meaningless. But the truck company has a duty to prevent anything from falling off the backs of their trucks. In fact, there's federal statutes and state statutes that regulate this exact thing.
However, there's a caveat. What if the debris comes from the road?
So if something strikes your vehicle and it comes off the road, the truck will not be responsible, because that's something that could be there from any company or any person, or things fly off every day.
Mr. Tobin advises not to chase the truck, but call 911 and try to get a tag number. If you pursue and get into an accident, that could be on you. Taylor Mabry from Express Auto Glass in Marietta agrees. It's best to get a tag and keep your receipt.
I've had to email receipts to companies before, send credit card receipts and stuff like that, just to prove that this customer did in fact pay and they are entitled to reimbursement.
So we can verify, those bumper stickers don't really hold a lot of water. They're more of a warning. If it's coming off the road, well, it's just bad luck for you. But if it's something being hauled that hits you and you have proof along with documentation, it might be worth further pursuit. So Cheryl, we're going to have a follow-up to this because I'm going through the painful process right now. What happens if you run over something in the road and damage your vehicle? Can you get compensation for that? And believe it or not, there is a little light at the end of the tunnel. We're going to talk about that next week.
And so many people can relate to that because of all the construction happening right now. I'm glad you're doing these, Crash, because I didn't know there's a recourse. I just assumed the sticker was correct as well. So thank you for clearing that up.
Yeah, and Jerry Carnes made a great point too. A lot of people have dash cams these days. They're not very expensive. Probably worth it if you install one.
That's a good idea. Crash, thanks a lot.
All right.